A couple of things you can do with the Landmine attachment. As you can see here, we've got the 45-pound Olympic bar placed inside here. You can do Russian twists, where you take the bar like this and you twist from side to side, exercising your core. And with this free attachment that comes with the Major Fitness Drone 1 Power Rack, you simply place it here, and we can do upright rows. We can put weights on here, and we can do upright rows. So, a couple more things that you can do with the Major Fitness Drone 1 Power Rack. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos on how to use the Major Fitness system. And there's a link in the description if you want to take a closer look at it.